Okay, slide 5, we're going to be writing linear equations. First, we're going to write the point-slope form, and then we're going to write the slope-intercept form of a line with the given information. So first, let's start off with the point-slope form. We have to know what that equation is. So the point-slope form is y minus y1 equals our slope times x minus x1. Our slope-intercept form, which is what we're going to turn it into, is y equals mx plus b, where m represents your slope and b represents your y-intercept. So that's where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, it says so slope of 3 and passes through this point. So we're going to start off with our point-slope form. We're going to change the y1 to our y value, which is -1. We're going to change m to 3, which is our slope. X minus, and our x value is 6. Okay? Then, this minus here is going to change this two minuses, is going to change that to a plus. We're going to distribute that 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -6 is -18. Then if we want to get it into this form, so this is our point slope, and we're going to get it into this form, or this form, which is our slope-intercept. So we're going to need to subtract 1, because we want y by itself. So we get y equals 3x minus 19. And this is our slope-intercept. Okay? The second one, we have y minus 2 equals our slope of -2 times x minus -2. So we got y minus 2. Those two negatives, change that to a plus. Then I'm going to distribute over here. So I have y minus 2 equals -2x minus 4. -2 times 2 is -4. I'm going to add 2. And I get y equals -2x minus 2. Okay. So we're still writing an equation, but this time we have to find the slope first. So we're going to take these 2 points and we're going to find the slope. So m equals, I have 7 minus 1, because I'm subtracting my y's, over 8 minus 5, because I'm subtracting my x's. 7 minus 1 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 6 over 3 is 2, so my m is 2. I'm going to plug that information in either one of these points into my equation. I'm just going to choose that one. You can pick either one, either pair of points to choose. So I have y minus 1 equals my slope, which is 2. I found it there. Times x minus 5. So I'm going to distribute, and I have y minus 1 equals 2x minus 10. And I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to add 1 and get y equals 2x minus 9. Okay, same thing on this one. Got to find my slope first, so I can do 3 minus 0 over -1 minus 0, so it's going to give me 3 over -1, which is -3. That's my m. So I'm going to plug that in either one of these, and I'm just going to choose 0, 0, because it makes it easier. So I have y minus 0 equals -3 times x minus 0. So I have y minus 0 equals -3x plus 0. And that 0 can just go away. So I have y equals negative 3x plus 0. You can substitute the other pair of points in and see that the same thing's going to happen. So y minus 3 equals negative 3 times x. That's going to end up being a plus 1 because we have a minus in our equation and a minus there. So y minus 3 equals negative 3x minus 3. And when I add 3 to solve, that's going to cancel out and go to 0, just like my other one. So my equations matches, so it doesn't matter which one I use. Okay, you're going to find the slope on here also. You got to find the slope first. And I messed up there, so ignore that little spot. That's not a line, that's not a number. So I have 0.02 and negative 2, negative 4, so I'm going to find the slope. 2 minus negative 4 over 0 minus negative 2. 2 minus negative 4 is 6. 0 minus 2, or 0 minus negative 2 is positive 2, and that's going to give me a slope of 3. So I'm going to plug that in. I can use either point, so y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 0. I use that point. Y minus 2 equals 3x. I distribute that 3 minus 0. Add my 2, and I get y equals 3x plus 2. Okay, over here, I gotta rewrite this as an ordered pair first. This is my x. This is my y. This is my x. This is my y. Okay, and then so I gotta